Folks, I'm sorry. One thing that I need to do is I need to check this. I forgot before we move on to the next one. So remember, when I'm checking, I want to go back to the very beginning. I want to rewrite the equation that I had at the beginning. Okay? So it's negative 15, but instead of a, I'm going to write in here 6 over 5 is equal to negative 18. Now, when I'm multiplying a number by a fraction, I go ahead and make it a fraction too, just by putting it over 1. Before I multiply this, what do I want to do? I mean, I always try to do this before I multiply fractions. Pace?
Common denominator?
No, I do not need a common denominator to multiply fractions. I need a common denominator to add them, but not to multiply them. What do I need to do here, Jack?
Multiply them.
Well, I can, but I like to make the numbers smaller.
Reduce.
And I can cancel out, right? Because 5 goes into 5 one time, and 5 goes into negative 15 negative 3 times. Now I have negative 3 over 1 and 6 over 1. What is negative 3 times 6? What is that, Ian? Ian, don't do that on your calculator. Negative 3 times 6. It's negative 18. So did I get the right answer there, Paris? Okay, good. I like that one. Thank you for reminding me about checking that one out. Now, let's look at the next example. Okay? This is example number 4, or exercise number 4. It says, write the equation represented by the verbal sentence. Then solve the equation. Okay, first I need to write one, then I need to solve it. Okay? It says a number multiplied by negative 5 is 0. How do I write a number multiplied by negative 5? How do I write that, Maggie H? Yeah, I always put the number before the variable. And I put them right next to each other because a number right next to a variable means what, Sarah Kay? It means to multiply them. Now, what does this is mean, Eric? Equals. And what does it equal, Eric? 0. Negative 5x equals 0. How do I want to solve this, Harry? I want to get x by itself, right? It said solve. You want to multiply or divide? I want to divide because they're being multiplied right now. So divide this side by negative 5 and this side by negative 5. What do I get on the left side, CB?
They cancel out and you get x.
They cancel out and I just get x is equal to, what is 0 divided by 5? Suzette? 0. Suzette, I got another question for you. What is 5 divided by 0? Oh, no. Going to jail. I caught you, Suzette. Remember, 0 can't be in the denominator. We can't have something divided by 0. 0 can be divided, right? 0 divided by 5 or negative 5 or whatever, that's just 0. But we can't have it in the denominator. All right? All right. So, Suzette tells me x equals 0. Are we happy? Nice. Nice job, Suzette. Thank you.